Bonjour Ratu. Good morning everyone. Today let us see letter writing of first lesson, second lesson and third lesson, and also the dialogues of all the three lessons. Okay. So now let us see the format for letter writing. It is not necessary that always you should write pages and pages for letter as like how you write for other subjects. It is not like so, because it is French is very new subject for you, and you have to follow the format for this. Okay, so first let me teach the format, and then let us move on to the content, how to write the content. Okay, so first Chennai. Okay, so C should be in capital. After Chennai, comma, you should put comma. Then la the, I mean la 2 March 2021. Always date should be written like this in French. Le de Mars de mil vangtayan. Okay. Then so this carries 1 mark. Many will make mistake here. They will put C in small letter, and then comma they will forget to put, and L they will put in capital. That is also wrong. L is always small while writing the letter, I mean while writing the date. So Chennai, C should be in capital, comma le 2 March 2021. This should be written properly in one single line. Many will write like this Chennai here, and they won't find space, and what they will do is they will put a comma, and again down they will write like this. It's wrong. It should be in a one single line. Okay, then share me, again C should be in capital, and here you have to put one comma. Next is como sava. Como sava means how are you. Como sava means how are you. Je vais bien. Je vais bien means I am fine. I am fine. Okay. Then while concluding, you can write this one. Répondre immédiatement. Répondre immédiatement. Respond immediately. So this and this are the standard formats for the content, because to whomever you are writing, it is an informal letter, you will always ask how are you, I am fine, and while concluding the letter you will put répondre immédiatement. Hope it is clear. And then this one, Chennai, share me. Amicalement. While writing amicalement, people will make mistake putting A in small and amicalement spelling wrong. So please look into the spelling for amicalement and write it correctly. Amicalement XXX. Many will forget to put this XXX. Okay, so put this XXX. Then l'adresse sur l'envelope. Address, what they will put is ADDRES, as like English. It is wrong. It should be address. L'adresse, 1D and 2S. Sur l'envelope, address on the envelope. L'adresse sur l'envelope. Envelope they will write like this, as like how we write in English. That is, this is also wrong. Here also you will lose the mark. L'adresse sur l'envelope. Okay. Then any name, street number, sorry, door number, street name, and here many will make a mistake that they will write Chennai here. It's wrong. Write any place like Coimbatore or Madurai. So name followed by that one comma. Door number in single digit followed by that one comma. and street name, one comma, then finish it off, and put a box, present it neatly. Put a box like this. Usually you will put like this, all no envelope, so you can present it neatly. Okay, so the format itself carries mark. You should write this properly, this properly. Okay, como ça va, je vais bien. Then répondre immédiatement, amicalement, l'adresse sur l'envelope, then address properly. Okay, so only for this format alone you will get 4 marks, and the content, whatever you are writing for 4 to 5 lines here, is going to be only for 2 marks. So for that 2 marks, you can understand and by heart 2-3 lines. Hope it is clear. Okay, now let us move on to this letter. Let us move on to this letter. So what is the letter is about is écrivez une lettre à votre ami en écrivant une soirée. Write a letter to your friend describing a evening party. Okay, so you are inviting your friend, not inviting, you are just describing a evening party, how it is going to be. Either you invite or just simply you can say. So here I have written like this: je t'invite pour mon anniversaire, means I invite you for my birthday. I invite you for my birthday. If you could by heart this line properly, you can, otherwise you can ignore this. Okay, simply you can write, you can just write a date like say for example same date, or any love Mars, like that you can mention any date, or even you can mention like simply Landi, same on anniversary. Monday is my birthday, same on anniversary, like that you can write. Je coupe le gâteau means I cut the cake. Okay, any name of the cake, anything you can mention. Nous chansons et dansons ensemble, we sing and dance together. We sing and dance together. Then nous mangions des plats indiens et français, we eat some French food as well as Indian foods. Okay, plat indien, Indian food, plat français, French food. Nous nous amusons beaucoup, we enjoy a lot. Okay, nous nous amusons beaucoup, simply. Then répondre immédiatement, that's all. You can write no. Again I'm repeating, if you could by heart this, you can by heart, otherwise simply write like this: Landi means Monday, same on anniversary, same on anniversary, and you can continue. Okay, so chanson means singing, danson means dancing. Okay, dancing. Plat means food, and this should be like this only: nous nous amusons beaucoup, we enjoy a lot. Then amicalement, address on the envelope. Now let us move on to the dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is invite your friend to a party. Inviter un ami à une soirée. So inviting a friend is informal, it is not formal. Informal. So mon ami means my friend. Mon ami means my friend. Moi means myself. Moi means myself. So salut, ça va. Salut means hi. Ça va means fine. Okay, so after salut, one exclamatory mark, and after ça va, question mark. Moi, oui, ça va. Oui means yes. Ça va means fine. Then your friend is now talking. Dema. Dema means tomorrow. Dema means tomorrow. Same on anniversary. It is my birthday. Anniversary, the spelling is Anniversary. Anniversary. Ah, bon means good. Ah, good. Bon means good. Je viens. Je viens means I'll come. I'll come or I come. Okay. So, while concluding, merci, au revoir, and the other person should respond, merci, à bientôt. Merci means thank you. Thank you. Au revoir means goodbye. À bientôt means see you soon. See you soon. Okay. Now let us see letter of second lesson. Écrivez une lettre à votre ami en décrivant votre star favori. Write a letter to your friend describing your favorite star. So, the format I taught you. Cher ami, then comment ça va, je vais bien. Then, now, mon star favori est Vijay. My favorite actor is Vijay. Il est beau. He is handsome. Beau means handsome. And feminine form for beau is belle. Belle means beautiful. A sympathetic. Sympathetic means kind. Il acte bien. He acts well. Je regarde ses films. I watch his movies. Like. Comme means like. Like I have mentioned to me movies here. Marcel, Katti, etc. Les enfants adore Vijay. The children loves or likes Vijay. Les enfants. Enfants means children. Okay. Respond immediately. Respond immediately. Amicalement and amicalement address on the envelope. Okay, the pattern is same. The format is same. Only thing is the 4 to 3 lines which you are inserting here. For that alone, you have to understand and then you can study. Then, parler de votre star avec votre ami. Talk about your favorite star to your friend. So, this is the informal talk. For informal talk, this is the standard format. Even for the last lesson, we have seen salut, ça va, oui, ça va. And while concluding, merci, au revoir, merci, à bientôt with the exclamatory mark. Okay. Then, now, salut, ça va means hi, how are you? Yes, I am fine. Qui est votre star favorite? Who's your favorite star? Qui est votre star favorite means who's your favorite star. Okay. Mon star favorite is Vijay. My favorite star is Vijay. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now let us move on to the third lesson. Écrivez une lettre à votre ami en décrivant votre visite à une vie étrangère. Write a letter to your friend describing your experience about the foreign city which you have visited. Okay. So the format is as follows. Chennai, cher ami, all same. And comment ça va, je vais bien. Je visite à Paris. I visit at Paris. Je visite le Tour Eiffel. I visit the Tour Eiffel Tower et le musée de Louvre and the Louvre Museum. J'achète des parfums et des chocolats. I buy some perfumes and some chocolates. Okay. Then, je mange des plats français. I eat. Mange means eat. And here achat means buy. Des plats français means some French foods, some French dishes or foods. Okay, c'est une bonne ambiance. It is a good memory. Okay, then respond immediately. Répondre immédiatement, respond immediately. This is the format. Amicalement, and again address on the envelope. That's what. Okay, then, and for this lesson, vous êtes devant un magasin à Pondy Bazaar. You are in front of a magasin. Magasin means shop in Pondy Bazaar. And tourist étranger. Tourist étranger means a foreign tourist asking you the direction to, asking you how to go to Valluvar Kotam. How to go to Valluvar Kotam. Now, étranger, you can pick this from the question, or simply you can write tourist. Tourist. Okay, you can write even this one or this one, any, whatever is easy for you. Bonjour, monsieur. Though this is the formal talk with a strange person. Okay, so the formal talk always should be like this: bonjour, monsieur, or madame, bonjour, monsieur. Okay, and while concluding, merci, monsieur, oui, d'accord. So now, in between this two line only, we are going to write according to the question. Como aller a Valluvar Kotam? How to go to Valluvar Kotam? With a question mark here. I didn't put question mark. Please put a question mark here. How to go to Valluvar Kotam? Como means how. Ale means to go to Valluvar Kotam. It is by 47A. Simply you can mention like this. Okay. Then merci, monsieur. Oui, d'accord. So hope you are very thorough with the format for formal and informal dialogue writing. Okay, and also you are very thorough with letter writing format. Format itself carries 3 to 4 marks, and the content is going to be only for 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so no use of studying pages by hearting pages and pages of the content. So please be thorough with the format, and please understand and study 3 to 4 lines according to the question given to write the content. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Bonjourne. Have a nice day. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye.